It looks like it's about the end of the storm going through right now. It's 7 o'clock. Airplanes are running again. We're going up backwards though. That means the wind's turned around the other direction. Over our head someplace, but way up in the clouds. So the wind came up a little earlier, about an hour and a half ago. It blew for about 10 minutes. And then it went away and it quit raining for an hour or so. So we're on the back side of the hurricane storm, whatever you want to call this stupid thing. So I can only see where it rained 1/10 of an inch, but I think it's rained more than that, but oh well. The wind right now is under 10 mile an hour. It was going about 15 with 20 mile gusts earlier for like about 10 minutes. And that went away. But, it's back raining semi-heavy again. For us, this is heavy. For normal people, this is nothing. About the same as it was a few hours ago. But like I said, it didn't rain for a long time. Anyway, I'm heading up the shop to work, so I'm going to try to get wet out here. There you go. Yeah, it's getting wet out. Alright, we'll be back. Now we're back inside. Hey, I got wet. Yeah, massive storm. There you go. So much water did we get in here? None. My foot mark when I opened the door up. Does that count? Nope. Didn't make it inside. Shove it out. So the board got wet a little bit. That one there, this one here, and barely got anything on it. So, oh well, there you go. It's massive amounts of storming going on. So, oh well. There's a wind blowing up there high. Those trees are pretty high up there. So, they're blowing a little bit up there. Not much. But, anyway, we'll see how much rain it is actually put out here when we see a weather report tonight, but basically a big dud. Any normal rainstorm rains more than this, so big deal. So I gotta work on that thing right there, I think, right now. So there you go. That's our update. And I don't think we're gonna get much more on this. The storm is almost completely blown through, so another hour or two we'll be out of clouds or do any more damage. So these are just the green clouds on the satellite map, which is not really doing anything. So you can still see where there's dry spots on that wall. That's not too good for rain, huh? Oh well. Did you get underneath my truck? Oh, the underneath my truck is not wet. There you go. It didn't get wet under there either. Not by much. Oh well. That's it for the rain.